Hey, this is Connie from Connie's Creations, and I'm here with my assistant.
Hello, I am Jake from Peyton B and their friend.
And I got another Walmart beauty box. Yay!
Yay!
So let's see what Walmart sent us. All right. Summer Refresh. This is the summer box.
Yes, and we're going to be so refreshed.
All right. First off here, I see a fire rescue anti-friction stick.
What?
Yeah, that's for chafing.
Oh, I thought that'd be for something else.
And then we have a bio oil dry skin gel, a little sampler packet.
Yes.
Let's see. And then we have the Shop face wash, daily exfoliating cleanser. And then we have Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco. Perfect edges. 24-hour extra hold with moisture and exotic shine. I don't really know what that's for. I guess for your hair.
I don't know what any of these words mean.
I don't know, but I think that's for black hair. Like black people's hair.
What now? Excuse me?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is for black people's hair. I don't know why they sent me that.
So then do you think that if, like, non-black people use it, they might turn black? Oh, dang
I
it.
don't know. It's some weird crap here. I'll have to redo that. And then we have this big, huge thing here.
I'm shaking my head, guys.
That I probably won't use. It says strictly curls. Curl-defying lotion. What?
Hey, I got
Humidity shield, define and lock in soft frizz-free curls. I don't have curly hair.
I do.
Nadine's got curly hair.
No, I got curly hair. Give it to me, dang it.
Dang it. Well, that's as if you don't see your product there, which I don't see this one on that list. So, I don't know. I can't really use, none of this stuff is really for me. Except maybe the face wash. Well, just somewhat disappointing for me, but I guess other people would be happy if they'd gotten this stuff, so I don't know. But anywho, I guess here's our little guest, feral Mimi Kitty here.
Come here, cat.
Say hi to the audience. Well, that was a quick appearance.
Yeah.
Anywho, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe. And until next time, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, arrivederci, adieu, tschüss.
Now you can get back to watching Columbo.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.